everybody, Alan here from Pawpa Flavor. I'm out here at American River Ace Hardware, featuring and cooking, as you can see, some chicken wings with our Mama Gras. Mama Gras is our not too spicy, very, very herby Cajun blend. And as you can see all those herbs and that beautiful color. The flavor on this is absolutely insane how good this one is. Low sodium, low sugar, huge flavor as you're all accustomed to. Come on out. All right guys, so here's the reveal of the Mama Gras Cajun. Not too spicy. Danny's gonna give that one a shot and see what he thinks. Danny?
I'm kind of a little baby about spice though.
It's all good. It's not too spicy. It's just there for that extra flavor profile. A little cayenne in there. A lot of herbs.
Very herby. Not overly herby.
Super simple.
I'm waiting for like the heat to kick in. It's not. I know it's there, but it never kicks in.
Just another layer.
Yeah.
That extra
That's
flavor.
balanced really well.
Thank you.
That's not spicy at all, but you know it's there.
Right.
That's interesting. Yeah, it's just like that before the heat kicks in, you know it's there and you worry about it, but it never takes over.
Yeah, it's all about the flavor. That's what I'm about. The word flavor's in my name, so I better live up to it. It's Pawpa Flavor right there.
Oh, that's perfect.
Not too salty.
Great blend. No. It's a great ratio of everything.
Nice. I'm glad you liked it, brother.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you so much.